Bosch Tassimo coffee maker, and before I show you how to use it, you need to fill the jug up to the level line, put it into the machine and close it, and you're ready for action. This is a Bosch Tassimo coffee maker, which does make a fantastic cup of coffee. And you buy these sachets, and what you do is, it's fantastic really. You do the milk, push it into the container, push it down, and action. And this coffee, it's not quite the same as what you get at Costa, but it's better than instant coffee, and in my view, what you get at the quick stop at the local Esso garage. Now this machine cost
nothing.
Machine was free, and so what did the whole lot cost? You got sachets as well?
£50 for all the sachets.
So basically it's £50 for all the sachets.
We got 80 sachets.
80 sachets we got with this. And what does it cost to replace the sachets?
You can get them for various prices, but basically it's about £4 or £5 for 8. 16 sachets.
16 sachets for £4 or £5. And there you can see that's piping hot. Give it a few seconds, then you lift up.
No, you have to wait until that stops flashing.
Okay, sorry, I didn't pass the training course. So you wait till it stops flashing. There we go. You lift up. Put the next coffee in. Press the button. So I'm being trained at the same time you are watching this. And there you can see the coffee coming out of the sachet. Now you've got a button the other side, an amber button. You wait till that finishes flashing. Doesn't that look superb? Look at that for a coffee. And you take it out, give it a stir, and that is a lovely cup of coffee. And the button I was talking about is just there. Thank you for watching and enjoy your coffee.